Maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
What's up, internet? What am I doing today? I'm gonna explore the IKEA Burbank. It's massive letters compared to the Carson one. It's already looked nicer. I'm already enjoying it. I have to walk all the way over there? Okay, hold on. I'll get it. Okay. You're just gonna leave your kid over here. You just abandoned your child. Ugh.
They have, look, honey mustard.
It's a little trolley for food. Fancy. You got silverware, actual plates, actual cups.
They have actual iPads.
This is such an amazing room. Once I move out, I want to live at a place that looks like this.
This is like a old white people.
Oh, it's like a studio type of place. But they even have the Pixar lamp right here. This kitchen. People may say this because I'm a hipster type of person. I guess I'm a hipster. A dream child's home. Ooh, that's dope. It doesn't even fall apart. This is like is this a Swedish Twilight? It's called the Omjagkunedruma.
Jennifer's gonna do it.
Make room for love. I'll make room for some love, right, Alfredo?
Yeah, I can say so.
Okay.
I just called you there.
This is like where you can read a book. You can be sophisticated with a book. It's like, yeah, it's like ghetto beast have the tag on there.
What are you guys cooking?
Not good stuff. Not good. If you compare this place to the Carson location, this place is massive. I feel like I'm in Costco. It's like we're in Costco.
Maca?
I don't speak Spanish.
I'm telling you, one of you guys Maca?
Maca what?
Maca tus calzones.
What you say? No,
What?
I won't say
What'd she say?
nothing anymore. And the things like that. They throw me kisses.
Thank you, Alfredo. What a hater. That was a fun trip, guys.
We just came to eat and that's it. Pretty much.
But the night's not over for me.
What are you doing?
The hazelnut.
See, I told you we're not done.
One or the other.
I got myself some In-N-Out.
You liar! That's mine. You're getting Krispy Kreme.
We're
though.
at Genesis now. We traded Genesis with Marissa. For Marissa.
You're dumb.
We did a little trade off.
Never. You can never trade off my girlfriend.
Oh, yeah. Or boyfriend, depending on the
She's
day.
yeah,
Don't you guys take turns?
Switch off, on and off.
You guys
Switch
take
off.
turns? Sometimes you want to be the guy, sometimes you're the girl.
Sometimes I'm the man in the relationship.
You gotta keep it
Sometimes
interesting,
I'm
right?
like,
You gotta spice up your life, right?
Yeah, switch it up. Sometimes we get confused. We both want to be the man.
God.
Can you imagine, like, if that was the case?
There's cases like that? Oh, God.
Oh, don't exaggerate. Tampoco, Russell.
She's a horrible driver.
I can't.
She's very reckless.
You know what? You wounded me like no other
I
right now,
wounded
Russell.
you? How did I wound
I
you?
already told you. Next time we're driving in your car, I'm just giving you gas money because you always talk smack
We're going to
about my
drive-thru?
driving. Well, why not?
Oh,
you
where
guys
are we
want to go
gonna
in?
eat? I don't know. I thought we were gonna.
You guys want to go in?
I thought we were gonna eat
Okay, we're
inside.
going in. Hold on. Hold on. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Hold on.
Too late. They don't care. Just keep
They don't
passing.
care. Just
But
go.
he's so dumb. Like, why
Just
would
go and pass through
Just pass it.
Tell them, hey, you're going to the
I
Yeah.
know, but it
Keep going. That
You need to stop making it complicated and just drive forward.
Yeah. Yeah. So
being an ass. It's okay.
Krispy Kreme was a fail.
we're
Because we're close.
We're driving.
We'll drive through in it. Drive through in it.
And then after, he's like,
I don't even know what I'm getting though.
he's like,
I feel pressure on the drive-thru.
I need to see it again because I don't remember.
Yeah, he's like,
Yes. Yes. Is it donuts or dog nuts?
you guys ever tried the hazelnut?
You're a hazelnut.
If I was a hazelnut, then I'd be a hazelnut, but I'm not a hazelnut, so
Then what are you?
You're not.
I'm a Jen.
You're genuine.
You're a Jen.
What?
You're a what?
What?
I should say Jen and nuts.
Jen nuts? Why would it be a nut? What type of nut?
You're a Jen
What
nut.
type of nut?
A Jen nut.
That's not even a thing.
It is now.
No. Thank you, Russell.
She is a Jen nut. I am a Russell nut. This is another
your
Jen
nickname.
nut. What are you, a all nut?
If we were a nut, well, I would want to be an almond. I would be an almond. Almonds are delicious, dude.
You'd want to be an. Why are you talking about like? If I wanted to be an animal, I'd be a dog. But a nut?
A dog? Oh, that's so hard. I wouldn't be able to pick a dog.
Why not?
There's so there's so many
Oh yes. Breathe.
there's so many wonderful species of dogs.
Species.
Just pick your favorite one.
Let's get the strawberry shortcake.
That's just
Mmm.
bunch of trash.
Dun 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 dun
I just realized
dun
we're
dun
freaking,
dun.
Hoarder.
One Punch. Hey, Howie, what's this just TV show, One Punch?
Alfredo.
So I hope you like that randomness of an adventure I had. So I think from I don't know till after I edit it, I think it's just a bunch of random clips. But I hopefully I put it together. Hopefully you liked it. So like it's something I tried doing in the beginning and then I ended up changing up that whole style. I hope I try that style, like just talking while I'm at the moment. I'll try to do that as much as I can. Cause you know the whole like talking in public in the camera. I'm self-conscious about people staring at me while I talk on the camera, but it was fine. I was with people that were actually encouraging me to do it, so I need more people like that. I was probably just gonna be them mainly that I go to adventures with. So, hope you come back for more. Like the video, comment down below whatever you want. Dislike it, I don't know, as long as you're liking it, or it's just as long as you're just watching my videos, you can like it or not like it. Subscribe. Don't have an account, make one, subscribe. If you know anybody that's not subscribed, tell them to subscribe. So, yeah. Remember, just to have fun. Have an adventure. See ya.